How's everybody doing tonight? Just wanted to come up here real quick. I'm sure a lot of you might be up here, but some people might have figured it out. I know one girl in particular has figured it out. She's looking here right now. That's my girlfriend, Katrina. Julie, stand up. Stand up. Show everybody how pretty you are. Wave to them. Basically, we've been together 3 years, and you've managed to make me laugh, make me happy. I still get butterflies when I'm with you. And so basically, I know that for the rest of my life, I want to spend my time with you. So basically what I'm going to ask you is, will you spend the rest of your life with me? Woo! It's a little tight.
That's right. Get it on.
Squeeze it on.
Close. I'm gonna fall. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the happy couple a big round of applause. So I think we all know, had things turned out differently, that would have been a really long flight to Savannah.